Yeah, it's recording. Yeah, too bad we can't, like, write it right now. Oh, yeah, that's just what happens whenever you have something in front of a camera. Won't start.
It will start.
Awesome. Awesome! Woo! So can you put, like, the bike chain on?
What?
Can you put the bike chain on?
Me?
Yeah, right now.
Yeah, but it's like snaps, remember?
Yeah, I know, but the other bike chain.
Sure, let's go.
Awesome.
Pretty much.
Oh my god. Any scars?
Yeah, I got like blisters all over my hands.
Oh my god, so that thing bucked you?
Yeah.
Like right over, and then the thing spun around, right?
Yeah, I was spinning around on the ground like.
How'd you get it to stop?
We just had to hit the kill switch because like we were running in trying to hit the button, but it just kept on smacking us in the legs, and we were like, ow! So it's jammed on go. Throttle. And instead of slowing down when it got all wobbly, I put it even faster. It was like this. And then I got to one hand, and then I thought, damn it.
Yeah. Oh my god, man, that thing must be scary to ride.
Very.
I am not going to ride that thing unless I've got like full body hockey gear.
You don't have to go 50 miles per hour.
I just go.
I mean, after the crash, I just went to about 20.
Oh my god.